Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a cranberry walnut chicken salad sandwich for you. Alright, as you can see here, I've got two chicken breasts that equate to about a pound or so of chicken. Then I'm just going to season one side, and then, of course, season the other with just salt and pepper, real simple. Then I'm going to place this into a 300-degree oven until the chicken is done. Then I'm going to take it out and let it rest for about 20 minutes before we move on. Alright, as you can see here through the magic of cooking show editing, our chicken has been cooked and shredded. Now it's time for the other ingredients. Oh, and if you're wondering how I shredded the chicken, I just used my hands. Anyway, now we want to add about a half a cup to maybe 3/4 of a cup, somewhere in between the two, of mayonnaise. You really do it to taste. If you want the chicken a little bit more dry or a little bit more pronounced, add a little less mayonnaise. If you want the chicken salad to be a little creamier, add a little more. Like I said, I just kind of add as I go, give it a taste. If I feel it needs a little bit more, add a little bit more. Don't forget, even though the outside of the chicken was seasoned with salt and pepper, we have to season everything else too. So a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And that's really to taste as well. Okay, then you want to add about a 1/4 cup of diced celery. And then this is a good time to give it its first little stir around. And like I said, this is your first taste. This is where you decide if you need to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, and of course, whether or not you need to add a little bit more mayo. Because we're not done adding stuff, so this is a good, like, midway point. Alright. And then we want to add about a half a cup of walnuts. Then about, a 1/3 of a cup of dried cranberries. Then you just want to grab that spoon, give this another old turn around, and again, give it a final taste, adjusting, again, if you need to add a little bit more mayo, need to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper. Last check for seasonings. Alright, let's assemble the sandwich. Okay, now let's start with sandwich assembly. Alright, I got a nice little piece of sourdough that I've spread some mayonnaise on. Now we're going to spoon a bit of our chicken salad sandwich with the cranberries and the walnuts. And then you want to take some alfalfa sprouts. And then you want to take the other piece of bread, put it on top, and that's that. That's a cranberry walnut chicken salad sandwich. Done.